In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to remove a green screen background using one of the most powerful keying tools available in Premiere Pro. It allows you to separate your subject from the background and place them into a completely different environment. Let's get started. First, place your green screen footage on the timeline. If you want to replace the background, place another video or image on the track below your green screen clip. Now select the green screen clip. Go to the effects panel and search for Ultra key. Drag and drop the effect onto your clip. Next, open the effect controls panel. At the top, you'll see the key color option. Click the color picker and select the green background in your footage. As soon as you select the color, Premiere will remove that green area and reveal the background layer underneath. Now scroll down to the matte generation section. Here you'll see controls like transparency, highlight, shadow, and tolerance. So these settings help refine how the green screen is removed and improve the separation between the subject and the background. Next, go to the matte cleanup section. Here you'll find options such as choke, soften, contrast, and midpoint. These controls help smooth the edges of your subject and remove rough outlines around the key. Finally, look at the spill suppression section. Sometimes the green background reflects light onto the subject, creating a slight green tint on the edges. Spill suppression helps remove that green color so the subject blends better with the new background. Play the clip and make small adjustments until the edges look clean and the subject fits naturally into the scene. And that's it. You've successfully removed a green screen background using the Ultra key effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.